So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castilla and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is spirituality of God. So, the spirituality of God means that He is not composed of physical matter, has no spatial dimensions, and cannot be perceived by human senses in the same way we perceive created things. God is a spirit, eternal, infinite, and transcendent above all creation. This truth reminds us that God is not confined or limited, yet He is near and actively present with His people. God spiritually sets Him apart from idols and false gods, affirms His simplicity and immaterial nature, and assure believers that He is to be worshipped in spirit and in truth. So, ayon po sa Deuteronomy chapter 4 verse 15 to 16, you saw no form of any kind the Lord spoke to you at Horeb out of the fire. Therefore, watch yourselves very carefully, so that you do not become corrupt and make for yourselves as an idol, an image of any shape, whether formed like a man or a woman. So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuroan. Sinasabi po dito na God is a spirit. He is invisible yet present. So, kahit hindi natin siya nakikita, siya ay nasa paligid lang natin or nasa ating buhay at sa lahat ng creatures. So, God is everywhere kahit hindi natin siya nakikita. Next is God's presence overwhelms creation. So, ang power at kaluwalhatian ng Diyos ay sumasaklaw sa lahat ng bagay sa mundo. So, His presence is so powerful that creation itself cannot fully contain it. Siyang lumikha ng lahat, kaya ang buong universe ay apektado ng kanyang presence. Next is God must be honored at all times. So, dapat i-honor natin si Lord lagi-lagi. So, hindi lang kapag maganda ang buhay o kapag may mga biyaya, kundi kahit sa mga may hirap na panahon. We are called to honor God in everything we do, in our thoughts, words, and actions, because He deserves all glory and reverence. Next is applications naman. Beware of inventing your own God. So, minsan tayo ay nahihirapan unawain ang Diyos. Kaya may tendency na tayong mag-imagine ng isang Diyos na ayon sa ating gusto. Don't create a God based on your preferences or convenience. So, ang Diyos ay hindi pwedeng baguhin or gawing ayon sa ating mga idea. Siya ay higit na ating Diyos. Next is be conscious of God's presence daily. So, kung naisip mo na ang Diyos ay kasama mo sa bawat hakbang, mas magiging maligaya at mas matatag ka. Remind yourself daily that God is with you, guiding you, giving you strength, and loving you no matter what. Lastly is be true worshipper of God at all times. So, hindi lang sa simbahan o sa mga special na araw, kundi sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. True worship is not just in songs or rituals, but in living a life that reflects His love, His will, and His holiness. And alam po, maraming salamat.